of Sammy Try! Guys, in today's episode, this is another international one. This is from, I believe, Turkey. Because on the back, it's everything, I don't know, I can't read that. Whatever language Turkey speak. I don't know, I cannot read it. Anyways, the name of it is, it's waffle cone, but the name is Crispy Mini Cornet Cookies Filling. No, originally we did one try the pistachio one, but I asked the cashier and she was like, say for you know, so she made a face. I'm like, I don't think I'm gonna like it. Plus I'm not a fan of pistachio. I think it was 4 different flavor, and I think this is a, I don't know what flavor is this. I'm assuming it's cookies and cream. But let's try. So it's basically a little waffle cone. What do you guys think about the packaging though? Let's open it and try it. Okay. We'll smell it first. Let me pull it back. Let us smell it first. It smells like something. It smells like a cookie and cream. It smells like an Oreo. Okay, this is how it's looking. This is how it's looking. It looks like a half an ice cream. Don't tell me that this is a... Okay. The moment that we have been waiting for. Let us try it. I've had this before. It's literally waffle cone with cream. Literally waffle cone with cream. It's not bad. It's sweet, but it's good. I'll give this an 8 out of 10. This will definitely get an 8 out of 10. It's not bad at all. I'm not mad at it. Wanna see it? Grab it. 8 out of 10 for me. I love it. I'll catch you on the next episode. Bye.